In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook upload failed problem easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple, so please keep watching this video until the very end. First step you have to do is open the settings page on your phone, and after that scroll down and go to the apps manager on your phone. Go to apps again right here, and now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading this page. Scroll down until you find the Facebook and click on it. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is click on the storage right here and click on clear data. After that, go back, click on force stop, and after that scroll down. Now we will do the last step. Go to the power usage details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert right here, and after that click on this force stop option. Now, all what you have to do is simple. Go back, restart your phone and reopen Facebook, and congratulations. The problem is gonna be fixed 100% if you did all those steps. See you later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe,